What's going on, guys? Zach here with Cocktail Homecraft, and today we're making margaritas. But this time, we're going to be using real ingredients and not that pre-mixed stuff that you find in the store. So margaritas equals salt, which means we're going to rim our glass. And if you don't have one of these here, you can just take a lime wedge and rub it around the rim of the glass. And then we dip it in some salt. We'll fill up our glass with ice now and just let it chill. So our first liquid ingredient is going to be 2 full ounces of silver tequila. Next is 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. Now I would use this over triple sec since it is a higher proof and less sugar. But if that's what you already have sitting there, I would just increase the amount of tequila to about 2 1/4 ounces instead. Next is 1 full ounce of lime juice. Then it's agave nectar. So for this we're going to do about 1 teaspoon. Fill a tin with ice, and then shake it up. Strain out the ice and pour it into your glass. Finish with a lime wheel, and you got a margarita.